Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and welcome to my channel. Sorry, my neighbor's doing his roof. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the LuxeBox. I am super excited. I already have taken a peek inside and I did start to unbox this, but my young daughter would not go down. So she is down, so we can do this now. So a little bit about TopBox. I have been with TopBox on and off for a year. They are a quarterly subscription. They are Canadian, so it's about $26 Canadian plus tax, no shipping, which is great. It's a mixture of products. It can go from skincare to nail polish to makeup. It's got a little bit of everything. The only thing with LuxeBox is that if you already get its sister box, the TopBox, which is a monthly, you are gonna have repeats. It sucks, nobody likes it, but some of the stuff is really nice that you can gift it. You can put it in Christmas or a birthday, box. And at the end of the year, you can actually package some of the stuff and take it down to the shelter, a women's shelter. And make somebody's holidays a little brighter. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue on with this box or not. I really do like this one, but it does have some repeats. So I canceled it a while back, but I may just go back closer to the time and sign up. But you have to be careful because sometimes they sell it before the box is released. They don't give any spoilers generally. You do get an email a couple weeks before it comes out asking, this time I got asked about an eyeshadow. I think this time it listed 4 or 5 eyeshadows. And so I picked the matte eyeshadow. What else do I want to say here? Down below, actually, I will have my referral to it. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if there's a promotion. There's never a promotion on with these things, but sometimes with referral codes you get so much money off, but I don't believe that's true. But it is only $26 every 3 months. It's not a whole lot of money, and generally you do get back what you put into it, or what you pay. So let's unbox the LuxeBox and we'll see if it was worth it or not. So I really like these boxes. Like, it's really gorgeous, and I mean it's stuffed full. It comes in a pink bubble mailer, which is kind of nice, so that the box you can reuse, you can gift. I mean, it's pretty simple. So the first thing I see in here actually is something I have actually bought. I actually gave this away, and this is actually a pretty good size. This is Nude by Nature. TopBox has been partnering with them. Actually, that is probably bigger than the one I actually gave away. So this is a bronzer. I don't have any bronzers currently, so I may just keep this. That's kind of nice. I like the Nude by Nature. I have the foundation, the transition powder, and the primer. If you sign up for the TopBox emails, you don't have to subscribe, just get the emails. They often send out samples, and Nude by Nature has been sending out lots. It is a great company. If you get a chance, you can head into your shoppers, check them out. So that isn't bad for me. But like I said, I've already given away this, so if I hadn't given it away, I wouldn't keep it. So the next item is definitely a repeat. So this is a brow gel. I don't generally wear this. I traded this last month. This came in my TopBox. It is nice, but something I definitely won't be using. I'm not going to open it up because I'll probably trade it or give it to my daughter. So this is what the email was saying. This is called the Beauty Crop. Love You So Latte. I'm not sure if I will keep this or not. I'm going to open it. It is kind of pretty. It's round, if I can open it, that is. There we go. So there it is there. It is kind of pretty. think I might have gotten something similar to this in one of the back to school boxes. With Top Box, they have a page called the Top Box Collective, and you can buy one of boxes. So they'll have a mystery box. They had a back to school box that I purchased. They have a Halloween box, which is really nice. It has a really nice nail polish in it, a holograph one from Morgan Taylor. So I purchased it, and I love face masks, and it has 2 face masks from Maskeraide. And I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. So, but it is kind of pretty. I actually think I might keep that. I really like the nice beige tone here. But anyway, it's like the mystery box is $12, and you get 4 items. They can be full size. Not often are they, and they're usually deluxe. And sometimes they do come a little tinier than that. I know the last mystery box I got a little argan oil. I love it. It's super tiny. You can get lots of uses out of it, mind you. But it's a mystery box, so you don't know what you're getting, and it can be a repeat of this year's and last year's items, so it's usually a hit and a miss. But for me, I always find it's a hit. It's the craziest thing. It's $12 plus tax, no shipping, which is great. And we all know how expensive shipping is in Canada. So it works out. So the next item I got is this Pure Revolution. Oh, it has an auto LED light. I didn't realize that. So they released this as a spoiler. This was one of the spoilers. I don't think they released anything else except for the email to say that there was an eyeshadow. Sorry guys, I am out of words today. So it has a little mirror on the back, which is kind of nice. I really like this color. Oh, it's kind of gorgeous. I think I'll definitely be keeping this. I have a lot of lippies. I really don't need. Oh, you can see the light coming on. I actually think I saw this in another box that I was going to get, and I decided against it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's bright, but oh, they nailed this color for me. So the next item is a mask. I love masks. This is from Maskeraide. It has 2 peel-off masks. Love it. There's only a couple items left, and I'm going to do this quick because my older daughter's coming home. So this is the Morgan Taylor nail polish. It is called Now You See Me. Daisy. I've already applied it to my nail. It is so pretty. Thanks. My daughter brought home a friend, so the dog has to go nuts. I apologize. Anyway, so this is a nice copper. It's got a lot of sparkle to it. I actually really, really like this. This is perfect for Halloween and fall. And the last item in the box is a Revoln Professional Style Master Medium Hold Hairspray. Helps to preserve color. Ooh. So I will be dyeing my hair, so this will come in handy. I have a wedding to go to in a couple weeks, so I'm probably be using this for that. My son loves hairspray, so that will come in handy. So I also mentioned that you can get a $10 add-on. It's a mystery item. You don't know what it is. It can range from something like a Fenty highlighter, which I've seen from the Top Box, to many things. This was my $10 add-on. I already have this. I actually got this free through Top Box Circle, which is a reviewing site. I absolutely love this. I cannot say enough good things about this. Now, I was thinking about doing a giveaway to try and get up my subscribers, so I might put this in there. I'm not sure. I really, really, really love this face mask. It is so nice, and your skin feels so amazing. So if you ever get a chance to try this, do it. It is amazing. But that is the end, and I apologize for the dog barking. at the end here, you're going to see a link to previous videos. I have done a few others. I will be doing my top box, which I got today, and I'm going to do maybe a quick video on the back to school from Top Box Collective. And then I still have Ipsy coming in, hopefully soon, and as well as the Lola box. So stay tuned this week or next week. And so if you hit subscribe and if you hit the bell, it'll notify you when I do have more boxes to review and to show you. Also, there's another YouTuber here. Her name is Lisa. She's actually giving away some of her BoxyLuxe stuff. If you just head over to her YouTube page, watch a video. I think she has one of the videos up. She doesn't have all of the giveaway video up yet, but if you subscribe and hit the notification bell for her, she will launch a video just putting what's in it, and I guess you have, I think she'll explain everything over there. And then you can also subscribe to my page. That's going to be coming up if it hasn't already, and keep watch for more videos. Thank you.